It's a very wet Sunday. It's been raining non-stop today. I've been editing this morning. This old mill building, it's by the canal, it's incredible. I love having anything to do with things here. There's a furniture shop that Jo wanted to look around in.
I imagine we're about to get very lost in here. Seems like a warren.
You're kind of tempting yourself a little bit looking around a furniture shop when you live in a narrowboat, but it's still just quite a nice thing to do, isn't it? On a rainy Sunday.
Yeah, I love it. But it's pretty cool. I just love like that it's all probably been in a house before. Oh, what's your story?
It's massive in here, isn't it?
Yeah, it's huge. This is like being in a bit of a creepy house. What does that mean?
William doesn't love saying goodbye. He doesn't like saying goodbye to the animals that he met in there. That's how you can tell I've been on boats for too long. I was looking at that price of that car thinking that's okay, yeah, 1,200 and something pounds. Yeah. It's 12,000 pounds. I had no idea that that's what cars cost. Trying to see if I can salvage something from a wet Sunday and do a little bike job I've had on my list for a little while. So our bikes are kind of our main mode of transport. We've been doing a bit more travelling on them recently, and recently we've even gone on a few little camping trips and stuff. It's been really good. We keep the problem is Jo's bike only has a back rack for bags at the moment, and it makes all the weight when you're riding it really awkward. I'm going to put a front rack on the bike. I've actually bought one of these before. Let me show you. This is how it turns up. In that tube is supposed to be all the kind of bolts and stuff that you need to fit it, and these little arms. But the reason I bought a whole new one is because this tube was empty. It's been a big old mystery, and I've searched through this place. What I found when I just took this out is that these were just like hanging around loose in the box. It might be that I just threw them out with the box on the first one. And so I just ordered another one. They're about £100. And I would have been embarrassed of this faux pas had I not seen the price of that car. And now I think I could buy a lot of these. So now, hopefully, I've got all the bits that I need. Time to turn Holly from edit house mode to bike shop mode. I love doing stuff like this. Oh yeah. Okay, so this is gonna go, it goes like this. So I've got to take this mudguard off. You've really got to bring every single tool you own with you to any job, no matter how small, haven't you? Everybody knows that. But do we do it first time? No. good thing about having your bike shop in a fully stocked cafe boat is tea breaks. You've got them whenever you want them. Always preheat the cup. I would always do that. Is that just me, or does everybody do that? I tell you who doesn't, Joe doesn't. I'm really looking forward to opening the cafe as a cafe boat though. I guess we're just kind of waiting on a less rainy weekend. Okay, let's get back to work. The thing about Joe's bike is these bits, the forks, they don't have any holes in them. On my bike, they've got holes in them so that these arms can sort of bolt on there, and then they're what hold this up. So these forks are missing a hole, but never fear, because I've thought of this already and I've got a solution. These bolts they send with it then aren't long enough. See, that is just about long enough, and look how thin that is. These forks are much fatter than that. So they're not going to fit, but I'm not going to be beaten. I'm going to get some longer bolts for it. But in the meantime, a temporary fix. Tyre wraps. That's cool. Joe's bike now is a real wagon. Maybe we'll leave this one here. But thanks a lot for watching. Have a good day. See you tomorrow. Bye.